Hey Amalodians, welcome to Amaloded YouTube channel. Last week, trading performance was incredible in our Telegram community, whereby we sent out 5 signals to our community and we were able to win all the 5 signals. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through the signals that I sent to the community last week. On the 28th of August 2024, I sent out a signal that our traders should sell Euro JPY. The information, the SL was 164.306, then TP 159.831. Then other additional information was a risk warning. I told them to apply proper risk management. Then after that, this was the result when the trade was running 417 USD. Then after that, I said it here that EJ will be ready to execute during Asia session. And I told them that if you miss this sweet signal, you are missing big opportunity. And this was the result after when the trade was running in profit. And I told them to secure the profit as soon as they are okay with the profit in front of them. Then another successful signal that I sent out to the community was Euro card, and this is another incredible testimony that we got from our community. We says thank you, boss. I'm loaded. You are the best. So another signal that we sent to the community was Euro CHF, and we told them also to buy Euro card here and look at the Euro card activation last week when the trade was running. After that, we were able to secure 488 USD. Then after the trade was running 776 USD, Euro card was a success last week. Then we sent out Euro JPY as well, which was also a success last week. Then we also sent out Euro card last week, and it was also success last week. And these are the setups that I explained on my YouTube channel. I posted this top-notch analysis last week Monday, and all what we analyzed went successfully. Out of the 5 signals, we won all the 5 signals. Then we had no loser last week, and that is incredible performance. So in this week market top-down analysis, I'm also going to walk you guys through some of the pairs on my watch list and some of the A plus setup I'm anticipating to execute this week. Let's start with USD JPY. On the daily time frame of USD JPY, you agree with me that this market has been selling for some weeks now, whereby our structure establishment is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The market is about to form another lower low for the continuation of the bearish sentiment. Now, looking at what the price action is doing now, you agree with me that on the daily time frame, price already established a tweezer top around this zone here, and this tweezer top represents bearish reversal candlestick pattern. And if you pay close attention to the candlestick momentum on the daily time frame, you see that look at the volume of the sellers during this session, then look at the volume of the seller during the session here, and the volume of the session of the seller during this session shows that the sellers are strongly in charge of this market. During this session, buyers tried to take charge of the market, but they failed. Then another session they tried, but they failed. But on Friday, what happened during the news they released by 3 p.m. West African time, what happened? The price action sold massively. to indicate the continuation of the bearish movement. Right now, to execute this trade now, our sentiment is going to be uh more of sell opportunity. We have to be on the side of the sellers because they are the one dominating the market, and we don't want to trade against the trend. Remember, our rule number one says that trade with a trend, make trend your family friends. You understand? So now on the daily time frame now, the next thing is to establish our key level zone. And where is probably the major key level zone? This is our major key level zone serving as support here. And if you look at this zone here, it it was holding price. When price sold down to this key level zone here, price bought to the upper side. This particular zone rejected the price to buy to this upper side. Then after a while, price is now selling down back to the same support zone that rejected the price action. Now, two things is going to happen. I'm expecting two things to happen during this uh, zone here, at this zone rather. I want this price action to break the zone here, then wait for a pullback here, then I will now take a sell opportunity. Or I want this zone here to hold the price action from selling, retrace back to this key resistance now, to this key resistance zone, then I will now take a sell opportunity. Those are the two areas that I'm watching out for on USD JPY. Quick recap, I want the price to retrace back to this resistance zone here, then I will take a sell opportunity, or I want the price action to break this support around this zone here, then turn it to resistance, wait for a pullback, then I will take another sell opportunity. Another pair on my watch list is AUD JPY. Looking at the price action on the daily time frame of AUD JPY, you will agree with me that currently the price action is kind of like consolidating on the daily time frame. This is what I'm going to watch out for. I'm going to exercise a lot of patience. I want the price action to give me a definite direction. If daily candlestick break out of this consolidation zone, then I will wait for price to give me a pullback, then I will take a buy opportunity. Or if price action break to the downside, then I will wait for a pullback to retest the consolidation zone, then I will wait for another sell opportunity. Currently, if you look at the pullback structure, you are getting that price form a lower higher, then instead of forming a lower low, price from higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right now, so what I'm expecting now, and price kind of like ranging around this zone here. So I want the price to either break to the upper side, wait for a pullback, then I will take a buy opportunity, or wait for price to break to the downside, pull back, then I will take sell opportunity on AUD JPY. Looking at the price action of GPB JPY on the daily time frame, you can see the overall direction of this market is bearish, right? Price from lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Now, what I'm expecting the price to do now as a result of this bearish sentiment, that shows that we are only looking out for sell opportunity. So, and price is kind of like giving us a range zone around here. So, I'm expecting price to also break out of this consolidation zone, then wait for a pullback or retracement, then I will take a sell opportunity on British JPY. And also looking at the price action on AUD card on the daily time frame, you see that the structure is strongly bullish, right? Price formed higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low. So what I'm expecting price action to do this week is for price action to break out this resistance zone here. I'm expecting price to take out this resistance, then wait for a pullback here, then I will now take buy setup. by scaling down to my lower time frame, either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour or 4 hours sometimes, to watch out for bullish reversal candlestick pattern for my execution on AUD card. And another incredible pair that I'm watching on my watch list is Euro USD. This is one of my best pair that I love to trade most of the time. And if you look at the structure on the daily time frame, you will agree with me that this price action is strongly bullish. For me, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. So since the establishment says that the price action is bullish right now according to the structure, now we are only looking out for buy opportunity. And where is the recent support zone? Is around this zone here. This is the recent support zone here. So what I'm expecting is price to give us a pullback here. Then we take another buy opportunity on Euro USD. And also looking at the structure of the price action on GPB USD, you agree with me that the price action is currently a bullish structure whereby price from higher high, higher low, then higher high. So what I'm expecting GPB USD to do this week is for price to retest back around this key zone. So I want price action to retest here, then I will take a buy opportunity by scaling down to my entry time frame and look out for bullish reversal candlestick pattern. And also another pair that I'm watching is AUD USD. And looking at the price action on AUD USD on the daily time frame, you see that the price action is also bullish, whereby price formed higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, continuation higher high. So what I'm expecting price action to do this week is price to give me a pullback, then to continue this bullish structure. Now, where is the recent support key level here? This space was serving as a recent support key level here. So I'm expecting the price action to retest the support level for possible buy opportunity. These are the pairs that I'm watching on my watch list for the week. And if you enjoy the video quality content that we are putting out for traders, especially the beginners and intermediate traders, please don't forget to support the channel by subscribing. Click on the like and subscribe button so that you can be the first to get notification when next we upload another exclusive Forex video tutorial.